While an active Remote Connect trial or subscription can help you lock and unlock your doors, there's another way that doesn't require you to pull out your phone or your keys. All you need is your Tacoma Smart Key in your pocket, purse, or bag. To unlock the door, slip your fingers behind one of the front door handles and touch the inside surface. Hold your hand there until you hear 2 beeps, which signals that the front door is unlocked. To unlock all 4 doors, hold your hand there until you hear 4 beeps. To lock the door, make sure all of the doors are securely closed and touch the groove on one of the front door handles. A single beep will let you know the vehicle is locked. If the doors don't lock and you hear a steady warning tone, then it's likely that one of your doors is still partly open or the smart key is still in the vehicle.